Hello, welcome to 60 Seconds to Success. My name is Michael. I'm a learning specialist here at LCCC. Today we're going to be talking about the college landscape and getting to reflect a little bit on that. So think about when you're in the college classroom, who is in control of your learning in class? It's your professor, right? Your professor kind of sets the tone and organizes the class each day, right? Who controls your learning outside of class? That's you, right? You have complete control over your learning outside of class, right? So there's a difference here that's really kind of important, right? So you might like group work, you might like lecturing, but you might hate it, right? But you can't control what your professor does in class, right? You know, that is what I call a TBU. That's true but useless. You can't control what your professor does in your learning. But you can focus on what you can control outside of class. You have complete control over that, don't you? All right, we're out of time. See you next time.